Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play AEW Fight Forever. We will begin by covering the fundamental controls, including movement and basic attacks. Next, we'll delve into the crucial momentum system, which allows you to execute devastating signature and finisher moves. Finally, we'll explore the diverse game modes available and share some winning strategies to help you dominate the competition. Get ready to step into the ring and experience the excitement. Getting started with AEW Fight Forever is straightforward. To move your wrestler, simply use the left analog stick. For a quick dodge or evade, tap the left stick twice in your desired direction. You have two primary strike buttons, one for punches and another for kicks. To initiate a grapple, press the dedicated grapple button, then follow up with another button press for a grapple maneuver. Holding down strike or grapple buttons performs stronger attacks. Defense is key in the ring. You can reverse incoming strikes and grapples by pressing the correct reversal button with precise timing. Holding these buttons allows you to guard against attacks, creating openings. As you land successful attacks and counter your opponent, your momentum meter will fill. Once it's completely full, you can execute a powerful signature move. To attempt a match-ending finisher, taunt your opponent after your momentum meter is full. AEW Fight Forever offers more than 10 diverse match types, from classic singles bouts to chaotic ladder matches, and the unique exploding barbed wire deathmatch. Dive into the Road to Elite career mode to develop your custom wrestler, earning skill points to upgrade their abilities. For strategic play, try layering grapples into your strike combos to keep opponents guessing. Remember, matches can conclude quickly, so building momentum efficiently is crucial for victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.